Maxim 56. Anyone associating with bad people, although their nature may not infect his own, is supposed to follow their ways to such a degree that if he goes to a tavern to say his prayers, he will be supposed to do so for drinking wine. And I've heard the story of missionaries even going into places, and it's like, well, but it gets them a bad reputation. They don't know why the people have gone here and there, and why this person's buying up all the musical instruments, which is not as bad as buying alcohol, but other examples have been given, but those thou hast branded thyself with the mark of ignorance, when thou hast selected an ignoramus for thy companion. I asked some scholars for a piece of advice. They said, connect thyself not with an ignorant man, for if thou be learned, thou wilt be a donkey in course of time, and if unlearned, thou wilt become a greater fool. Remember that. Your company. Be very careful about the company you keep.